Do you guys want to connect your PayPal account to eBay? Here's how to do it step by step on eBay. Let's get started. First, head over to ebay.com and log into your seller or buyer account to get started. Click on the profile name at the top left and choose Account Settings. And open your personal dashboard. In your account settings, select the Payments tab on the left sidebar. This is where you manage how you send and receive money. If your eBay account allows PayPal as payment method, you'll see an option to link PayPal account. Click on it. You'll be redirected to PayPal. Sign in and confirm authorization to securely link two accounts. eBay now handles most seller payouts directly, so PayPal may be limited to purchases and refunds. And that's how you connect PayPal to eBay. Stay tuned for more updated tutorials on everything eBay. Hit the like button if this video helped you and subscribe for more videos just like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.